So let me show you how to fund your ADpay and use it to fund your Google ads in Naira. So ADpay is a company that helps Nigerians run Google ads and pay in Naira. So you need to create an account. I have a full video that covers this already and you can check them out. So I'll put them in the description of this video. So after you've created the account and you set everything up, you are going to get an interface like this one here. So we have my this is the current balance we have for this account, but let's say we wanted to fund more, or we exhaust this and want to add money. All we can do is come here, you click on fund wallet, and from here you can select which one you want. So the instant funding works almost immediately, but the charges are higher, and this save more. The charges, you have to pay 500 Naira charge, I think, and this one you have to pay at least around 1,700 or thereabout. So the minimum you can also fund is 50k, so it's important that you know this. So let me just show you the charges so you understand what I'm talking about. So if you come here, you put 50,000 Naira, click on continue. You have to pay some charges. So as you can see, 900 is the convenience fee. So everything we are paying here is going to be 57,000 Naira, but we are going to get 50,000 Naira, which means 7,000 stuff is just for charges, which can be excessive if you like. But let me show you the other method, the other funding option, just so you see what the transaction fee is like. So here again, you can click on the fund wallet. If you come to the save more, so let's say we wanted to fund 50,000 Naira. Let's say 50,000 Naira too. You click on continue. You can see you actually pay more, so you just save something not up to you don't really save that much, which doesn't make any sense actually, but you get the point. You can use anyone you like and you can just proceed to pay. So if I click on proceed to pay, it will take me to pay stack, and then I can just send this money to this account. So I have around 7 hours to send this money before this expires. So I'm not going to make this payment, so I'm just going to cancel it. But this is how you fund it. So after funding it, it's going to show right here. So you already have accounts that you've created. So after funding this, you want to add it to maybe your budget. So you can come to the budget for the ad account that you want to fund. So you click on this and you can add more budgets to this. So this is how you can fund your ADpay account. And of course, if you wanted to use it for advert, you already know how to do this. You just click right here and it's going to take you to the Google Ads interface or Ads Manager. So this is how you can fund your Google Ad account using Naira. I hope this video wasn't so confusing and I hope that it helps you. If yes, please like the video, subscribe. My name is Goodnewell. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.